In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set site width in Wix Studio. First, open your project in the Wix Studio editor, so you can access the layout controls for your site. This setting is useful because site width affects how your content appears across larger screens, especially on desktop. By adjusting the maximum width, you can create a cleaner, more balanced design and prevent content from stretching too far across the page. Once your project is open, go to the left-hand toolbar and click Site Styles. This is where you will find several global design settings that affect the overall look and structure of your website. After opening Site Styles, look toward the top bar for the Max Width option. Depending on your screen size or workspace layout, you may need to scroll to the right to find it. So take a moment to check the full row of available settings. By default, Wix Studio sets the maximum desktop width to 1,600 pixels. That means your site content can expand up to that width on larger screens. If you want a more compact layout, you can reduce that value to something like 1,200 pixels or 1,440 pixels, depending on the style you want for your site and how much breathing room you want around your content. When you find the max width setting, turn on Apply to Site and enter your preferred width. This applies a global maximum width across your site, which is helpful if you want a more consistent experience from page to page. Choosing the right width often depends on the type of content you are displaying. For example, a tighter width can make text easier to read, while a wider layout can work well for more visual designs. You can also adjust this global limit and selectively apply it to different sections when needed. This gives you more flexibility if some parts of your site need to feel wider or more contained than others. To apply the rule to an individual section, select the section directly on the canvas or choose it from the Layers panel if that's easier. Then, go to the Inspector panel on the right side. Under Responsive Behavior, turn on Apply Max Width. This lets that specific section follow the max width behavior, giving you better control over how each part of the page responds within your overall design. Take a moment to preview the result and make sure the spacing feels right across your layout. Small width changes can make a big difference in how polished your site feels. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.